Thank you for purchasing the Kinetico K5 drinking water system. This system comes equipped with a blue meter on the top of the K5 unit. Filters need replaced when the blue color gauge is low. Note: it is important to order your replacement filters ahead of time. You have a customized K5 system with certain color-coded filters to fit your needs. Begin by opening the side panel of the K5 unit. Filters may or may not have a color-coded sticker on them. All filters need to be replaced except for the membrane. First, find the open-close valve and make sure that it is in the off position. Second, turn the faucet on to bleed the line out to release excess pressure. Remove the side panel to access the filters. When removing the filter, turn it a quarter turn and make sure that you replace the filter. Replace the rightmost filter by sliding it up through the hole at the bottom of the K5 unit. Discard all old filters into the garbage bin. After all filters are replaced, put the side panel back on the unit and turn the valve back to the on position. Your system is good for 500 more gallons.